Nigerians and Jamaicans. You guys have the most and the worst, the most creative and the worst, like, painful, wicked insults in the world. Like, I was looking like at a social media post on Instagram, and like, and it's for like a Nigerian social media page, like, and I was just looking through the comments, and I'm like, yo, have you ever been insulted by a Jamaican? Have you ever been insulted by a Nigerian? I wish I could speak Patois. I can't even do it. I'm not even gonna disgrace myself on this platform because y'all not gonna get me. But I have been to Jamaica at least 6 times, and I have a lot of Jamaican friends, and let me tell you, and then on top of that, I'm Nigerian, so you know,
I feel like if you're Jamaican and anything African, how does it work? For example, Jamaica and Nigeria, how is that household not chaotic? Both of these two nations are proud, like, you know. So when someone says I'm half Jamaican, half Nigerian, I stay away. I stay away, I stay away, because I don't want the drama, please. Me no want trouble. So you're saying Jamaica and Nigeria met and they found peace, and then you were born? How? Like, I'm not really a Plutomanian, but this is a collision of two worlds. It's mad.
Soso in Igbo means only, and apparently in Jamaican Patois they also say salsa or soso. I don't know exactly how they say it, but I just know that's the word. It's also interesting how in Latin languages solo also means the same thing. Igbo people call bed bugs chinche, and Jamaicans call them chink. Igbo people say anyuku to describe a greedy person because anyuku literally means big eye. And in Jamaican Patois, they say big eye to describe a greedy person. In Igbo, onuzo literally means the mouth of a door, door mouth. And Jamaicans say door mouth to describe the opening of a door as well. Akara is a bean cake that's eaten in Nigeria and also the Caribbean. And Brazil too. I don't know if y'all know this, but so many Africans who were stolen during the transatlantic slave trade were taken from the region that we now call Nigeria. So it's not shocking when you see a lot of people with Nigerian ancestry when they do a 23andMe or something like that. So ultimately, it all makes sense.
You ever feel a deep, inexplicable connection to a place you've never been? Like a feeling that goes beyond a simple curiosity, almost like a whisper from your ancestors, huh? And for many Jamaicans and Nigerians, that feeling is more than just a coincidence. It is a deep living truth, hidden in plain sight in the very words they speak every day. In this video, we're going to discuss an incredible journey to uncover a stunning secret. Jamaicans are speaking Nigerian Igbo, and most don't know about it. We dive into the fascinating linguistic and cultural ties that survived the transatlantic slave trade and are now sparking a long overdue reunion. But before we get into it, please hit that like button, subscribe this channel, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts and experiences. Sharing this video with your friends and family helps us bring these incredible stories to a wider audience. So get ready to have you mind blown. We're about to explore the powerful evidence of how African heritage endured and now connects two cultures across an ocean. Stay tuned, because after we watch a few clips, I'll be back to discuss everything with you guys.
I will do a comparison of some common words that we use in Jamaican Patois that are actually Igbo words that are still being used today. Let's get started.
In Igbo, we say dibia.
In Patois, we say obia. Them obia you, my youth. Look like them obia you or something.
In Igbo, we say okro.
In Patois, we say okro. Yeah, man, I'm gonna put some okra in it. Yeah, put some okra in it.
And then in Igbo, we say poto poto.
In Patois, we say poto poto. Is that rice that's a poto poto, my youth? Rice, poto poto, man. Oh, God. Anyways, guys, those are just some of the words that we use in our Patois that are actually Igbo words, and some of them are pronounced the exact same way.
Example, Jamaica, they use the word unu a lot. I hear that in a lot of Jamaican music. Unu. Sometimes I will hear something that goes unu doom. I'm like, what? Listen, don't tell me that these people are using our language. and that is part of their everyday word. One day I heard it in another song. I said, no, I want to go research. Now, unu in my tribe means all of you. When they say unu dumbia, meaning all of you come. And when we say unu, it means all of you. When we say unu dum, the dum at the end stresses on the fact that I want all of you to come, that they are calling everyone to come. And Jamaican people use that a lot. I'm like, okay, let me go research. When I did my research, I figured out that unu also mean all of you. I'm like, hold up, how did that happen? Did they borrow it from the tribe? Maybe during the time of slavery, many of their ancestors came with some of their tribal languages. So it keeps showing me that, listen, these people in the Caribbean, especially Afro-Caribbean, truly came from Africa, truly came from Nigeria and the Ghana, especially the Igbo tribes and the Yoruba tribe as well. Caribbean people use the word mumu. Everybody in Nigeria know when you say that guy na mumu, meaning that guy is stupid, he's fool, he's not smart enough. And in the Caribbean, it means the same. Mumu. Come on, man, hold up. This is becoming more interesting for me, to be honest.
Cool. I'm a Jamaican, right? And whenever I'm with my friends who are predominantly African, Nigerian to be exact, and Nigerians in my comments, they always say that I look Igbo. And not only that, I did like a DNA ancestry test like a while back, and it also said I was from the Igbo tribe. So I'm just generally intrigued on what makes me look Igbo.
Hello good people, welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed those clips as much as I did. It's absolutely amazing to see the connections come to life. As you can see, the story of Jamaica and Nigeria is a powerful one, a story of shared ancestry, resilience, and a deep linguistic and cultural bond that runs far deep than most people realize. The most striking evidence of this connection isn't in the language, right? I mean, it's in the language, because many Jamaicans unknowingly speak words and phrases rooted in Nigerian Igbo, a West African language that has survived across oceans and generations. This is not just a few random similarities. These are foundational words and concepts that have stood the test of time. Take for instance the word salsa or sauce. In Igbo, salsa means only, and Jamaicans use a similar word to convey the same idea. It is a small word, but its survival is a huge testament to the power of linguistic heritage. Then there is the term for bed bugs. Igbo people call them chinchi, a term that almost identical to the word the Jamaicans use, chink. The parallel go even further and reveal shared cultural mindsets. The Igbo word anu literally means a big eye, and it is used to describe a greedy person. What do Jamaicans call a greedy person? They say they have a big eye. This isn't a coincidence. It is a direct translation that speaks to a shared way of seeing the world. Similarly, the Igbo word ino means the mouth of a door, and Jamaicans use the exact phrase door mouth to describe the opening of a door. And it is not just about words, it is about food too. Akara is a delicious bean cake eaten in Nigeria, and it is also not a well-known food in the Caribbean and Brazil. This simple food item is a living bridge connecting culinary traditions across the Atlantic. Perhaps one of the most compelling examples is the word unu. And Igbo, in Igbo it means all of you, and Jamaican use unu with the same very meaning. When you hear this word in Jamaican music or everyday speech, it is a direct echo from ancestral homeland. It is a powerful reminder that Caribbean people, especially Afro-Caribbeans, truly came from African tribes like the Igbo and Yoruba. And let us not forget mumu, a term that means someone is stupid or a fool in Nigerian Igbo and the Caribbean. I like this mumu word, by the way. You be mumu, but the connection is more than just a vocabulary. It is the underlying structure, the rhythm, and even the energy of the language. The way insults are crafted both in Nigerians and Jamaica are known for their creativity, and wicked wit shows a shared cultural flair. These deep ties are direct and undeniable consequence of the transatlantic slave trade. Thousands of Igbo people were forcibly taken from what is now southern eastern Nigeria and transported to the Caribbean, especially Jamaica. And despite this brutal displacement and the centuries of colonization and cultural erasure that followed later, their traditions, spirituality, and language did not disappear. They simply transformed and hid it in plain sight. This is a powerful testimony to the resilience of the Igbo people and the enduring spirit of African heritage in the diaspora. Because for many Jamaicans, this is not just a historical or academic finding. It is a deeply personal one. Many feel a strong spiritual pull to Africa, particularly Nigeria. This is not random. It is what some describe as a genetic memory encoded in language, rhythms, and ancestral energy. The feeling that you belong somewhere you've never been is a powerful one, and this discovery validates it. DNA ancestry tests have even been confirmed this Igbo lineage among Jamaicans, providing a scientific basis for the felt connection. And it is a beautiful moment of reunion, because where physical similarities between people of Jamaica and Nigerian descent become more than a coincidence. They become a testament to a shared past, and this cultural reunion is not just a one-way street. In Nigeria, there is also a growing curiosity and pride among Igbo speakers when they recognize parts of their language echoing in the Caribbean. It is a moment of mutual recognition that fosters a beautiful sense of shared heritage. The discovery of these links represents a cultural reunion that's long overdue and very beautiful to watch. Ultimately, these connections highlight a powerful story of survival and resistance. The discovery demonstrates that the colonizers failed to completely erase a culture. Instead, the culture adapted, evolved, and survived, becoming a hidden layer of identity for generations. Uncovering these links enriches our understanding of Black identity globally, showing a complex and a nuanced history that is far from broken. It is a story of scattered family finding each other again, not through a map, but through the language of their hearts. What do you think about this video? What do you think about it? Nigerians back in Nigeria, Nigeria in the diaspora, Afro-Caribbeans in the Caribbean, and Afro-Caribbeans in the diaspora. What do you think about this? Tell me in the comments. Put your comments and your thoughts below, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Hope to see you in my next video.